up, everybody? Guess what? We're finally doing 0 to 60 on stage 2, as you guys requested many days ago, and I got the time to do it now. My friend showed up, so hopefully we get you a best clip right now. We'll go on a normal drive, and then we'll go on a sport mode. So we'll just compare those two, see if it's the similarities whatsoever, and it's gonna be fun. So we're just gonna go to the highway right now. Big cops. Where are the cops at? Were they getting me? Oh, they're here. Holy shit. Yo, did you get the cops? Did you get the cops?
I did it.
Oh shit, they're on the left side.
I could see.
But I was like, what? I want the 60, bro. We gotta do it again, guys, in sport mode. So,
damn, that shit is loud. There's a cop up ahead.
yeah, I see a cop. I'm gonna keep my hazards on.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm recording.
Not yet. You can record it, but I need to.
Oh, I'm about to jump side to side. I already know.
I'm waiting for it to clear the traffic. You can start recording. It's fine.
Yeah, I started.
Yeah, it's about to clear, so it's good. Make sure it's not. Yeah, we'll go in like 5 seconds. Almost. All right, 3, 2, 1. Not yet. Now we're going. How did that sound?
Damn, that show is the loudest.